Welcome to Beautyistic, where today we're talking about a product that's sure to pique your interest if you're a fan of effortless, glowy skin. theBalm Anti-Dotes Tinted Moisturizer in shade number 18 for light skin. It's not just any tinted moisturizer. This one promises a smooth, natural finish with the benefits of skincare, all in a single bottle. Let's dive into whether it lives up to that claim, or if it's just another product in the vast sea of tinted moisturizers. Now, before we get into my thoughts, here's a quick rundown of what you're getting with this product. theBalm Anti-Dotes Tinted Moisturizer comes in a compact 1/4 tube, which makes it super travel-friendly. It's designed for combination skin, so if you have a bit of both oily and dry skin going on, this might just be your best friend. Its packaging dimensions are sleek, with a 5.75-inch length and a weight of just 0.23 pounds, making it easy to stash in your bag without weighing you down. And of course, it's made in the United States, always a bonus for those who like to support homegrown beauty brands. As we get into the real-world experience of using this product, let me tell you, the texture is lightweight, which is a must for any tinted moisturizer. It blends seamlessly into the skin without feeling greasy or heavy, which honestly can be a common pitfall with many tinted formulas. The application is smooth, and you get just the right amount of coverage to even out your complexion without masking your natural beauty. For someone like me who has combination skin, it didn't leave me feeling too oily by midday, but it also didn't dry me out on the drier spots. A rare balance, if you ask me. I've used this on both lazy days and when I need my makeup to last for a bit longer, and it does a decent job either way. It gives a soft, dewy finish, which is fantastic if you're aiming for that no makeup look. The coverage is buildable, so you can layer it up if you need a bit more to cover redness or uneven spots. The shade number 18 works well for lighter skin tones, but if you're in between shades, there are several options to choose from in the Anti-Dotes line to suit a wider range of skin tones. In terms of pros, this product is highly blendable and gives a fresh, glowing finish that looks natural, never cakey. It's also great for combination skin, as it provides just the right balance of hydration and shine control. And did I mention how easy it is to apply? You don't need tools, so you can just squeeze out a bit and use your fingers to blend it in. It's that simple. On the flip side, while the formula is lightweight, it might not offer full coverage for those looking to hide more noticeable blemishes or pigmentation. You'll likely need a concealer to layer on top if you're aiming for full coverage. Also, the 1/4 size is a bit on the smaller side compared to other tinted moisturizers, but honestly, you only need a little bit per use, so it should last you a while. As for value for money, at the higher end of the price spectrum for a tinted moisturizer, I'd say this product delivers. It's not the most budget-friendly option out there, but it's definitely in line with luxury beauty products that offer a good balance of performance and quality. If you're looking for something that can double up as skincare and foundation, then this one could be a great pick, especially if you're willing to invest a bit more in your base products. Speaking of comparisons, if you're looking for something similar but at a lower price, you might want to check out products like Laura Mercier's Tinted Moisturizer or Bare Minerals Complexion Rescue. These are often considered solid alternatives that provide similar levels of coverage and skin benefits, but they do come with their own price points and performance nuances. The packaging, though small, is sturdy. I've had no issues with leakage or product wastage, which is always a plus for me, especially when I'm carrying it in my bag. It also holds up well in terms of shelf life, and I haven't noticed any breakdown in formula during regular use. If you've ever had to reach out to theBalm for customer support, you'll be happy to know that they've got a solid reputation. Their customer service is known for being responsive and helpful, which just adds to the overall positive experience when purchasing their products. As for alternatives, while the price may feel steep for some, the luxury quality of the product makes it worth considering. That said, for anyone on a tighter budget, there are always other options that deliver similar results, just with a slightly different approach to texture, finish, and longevity. To wrap things up, theBalm Anti-Dotes Tinted Moisturizer is a solid choice for those looking for a lightweight, easy-to-use base product that works for combination skin. It offers good coverage without feeling heavy or greasy, and it provides a fresh, dewy finish that's perfect for a natural look. If you're looking to treat yourself to a luxury product with dual skincare and makeup benefits, I'd say this is definitely worth considering. Mid-review, is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. Thank you so much for watching. If you're interested in purchasing the product, you can find the link in the comments or description box. And if you've tried the Anti-Dotes Tinted Moisturizer, drop a comment below. I'd love to hear your thoughts on it. Thanks for tuning in. And until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.